Here it says, given the line segment AB with endpoints 1, 2, and 4, 6, translate 2 units to the left and 7 units down. I'm going to show you how you can solve this and find out the new endpoints after you've translated it, both by graphing and then also by changing the x and y coordinates and adding and subtracting from them. So first, let's graph and plot these 2 points, A, B, and then connect them to make the line segment. Now we're going to take each of these points and we are going to translate it. We're just going to slide it. So let's go 2 units to the left, first with A, and 7 units down. So this is where our new A is. We call it A prime. And let's do the same for B. So 2 units to the left and 7 units down. So this is where B is. Call it B prime, since we already have a B. And then you connect those 2 points and we have our line segment. Notice if you look at the blue and the orange line segment, they're the same length, the same size, and they have the same slope. The orientation hasn't rotated at all. So it looks like the same exact line, but it's just been moved to a different position. So you can come up with the coordinates for our A prime and B prime, and then you're done. Now let's do it by just looking at our coordinates 1, 2, and 4, 6 and adjusting them. So if you think about translating 2 units to the left, moving left to right is the x-axis. We're changing the x-coordinate. So how are we changing the x-coordinate? If we move 2 units to the left, does it get smaller as we move to the left on the x-axis or bigger? It gets smaller. So we are subtracting 2 from our x-coordinate. And this is how you would write this. It says we're taking our x-coordinate and we're subtracting 2 because we're moving to the left 2 units. How are we moving on the y-axis? It says that we are moving down 7 units. So up and down is our y-axis. If we're moving down, does it get bigger or smaller? It gets smaller. So we are subtracting 7 from our y-coordinate. So we're taking our y-coordinate and we're moving down 7. So let's do this for each of our points. So for A, our original coordinates are 1 and 2. But what we're doing to the x-coordinate is we are subtracting 2 from it. And what we're doing to the y-coordinate is we're subtracting 7 from it. So what is 1 minus 2? Negative 1. What is 2 minus 7? Negative 5. So our new A coordinate, our A prime, is negative 1, negative 5, which is exactly what we see here. Now let's do the same for point B. Our original B coordinate is 4, 6. So what are we doing to our B coordinate, or our X coordinate? We are subtracting 2. So I'm going to take the 4 and I'm going to subtract 2. And what are we doing to the Y coordinate? We're subtracting 7. So we're taking 6 and we're subtracting 7. So what do we get? What is 4 minus 2? 2. What is 6 minus 7? Negative 1. So that's the same as we got here. That's the same as we see graphed here.